Hey, Brent.
Yeah?
Where's the door handle on the door?
It's right here.
So I actually didn't know what happened to the door handle. We wanted to be the cool kids and not have the original door handle that the trailer came with.
Well, we had the original one. Nothing wrong with it at all. It was all steel. It still works. I have it on another trailer right now. But we wanted to go with keyless entry. And I tried one brand from China, which turned out to be a bit of a bust. They did send a replacement part, but I ended up going with RV lock. This is a refurb unit. I just thought I'd try it out, and everything has been working great. And I'm going to show you how to install it properly right now.
Keyless entry is also great because there was one time that Brent had to come home from work because the, what was it, the deadbolt or the handle lock I didn't realize that it locked up. So
she locked herself out and didn't have a key, and I had the only key available, and I was 25 minutes away. So
my keys were on the inside. So this is better.
That's another reason for the keyless entry. They're a great little unit. On this one here, I took out the old unit, the one that came with the trailer. I did not have to cut anything extra. This little guy fits in perfect. You just have to make sure that you have either a right hand or left hand door, or if it's for a storage latch, that it's the correct configuration. This one here, you just make sure that you open it so the latch goes in. Go straight on like this, put it in, get rid of the screen door. That's how it sits.
Okay, nice and clean.
Nice and clean.
Spot. Bailey, what are you doing? Are you wanting to go see your friends? No, don't jump on me. Are you wanting to go see your friends? Bailey's busy causing trouble. So, we're gonna pick this up. She wanted to go play with her friends. She didn't get this. Mom and Dad are busy.
Okay, to start off, you've got to make sure that your dimensions of your hole for the door will fit the lock that you've got. Luckily, we didn't have to do any extra trimming from the factory lock to this lock, or the second one that I had in replacement of the first lock. So, anyways, this here, you just make sure that the latch is in. It fits in nice and snug. And the cable, the little ribbon cable got caught. So I'll be putting that in. That sits nice and snug, as you can see, right around the inside here. The ribbon cable sticks out. You've got your latch there, and you will want to put this faceplate on first that goes on the edge of the door. It's only one way that it fits. And all you need for this installation is a Phillips screwdriver. It's very easy. Put the screws in. Once you've got them both started, then you can tighten them up. Now that's solid on that side. You can make sure that the mechanism works properly. Now for the back side, you've got your latch here for the manual locking. But first off, you connect the ribbon. You hear the beep, that means the batteries are installed, which are in this section here. I'll show you in a little bit.
So we're getting the inside in.
Yeah, fits nice and snug. Start the screws. make sure that all of the screws are in before you tighten any of them right down, just to make sure that there's no pinched cable or something might not be sitting properly. And once you've got everything situated properly and all the screws are tightened down, then I would go back, loosen off all the screws, and on the outside I would put a small bead of silicone caulking just across the top. And if you see, I would just put it across the top here, just underneath the layer of, or under the ledge of the lock itself, just to give it a little bit of extra sealant from any weather. So now we've got our lock works there, that works, and the outside lock works. So next would be the battery compartment here, which it's a Phillips screwdriver again. So the same screwdriver, I've got a number 2 Phillips here. It can be a little finicky because you don't want to drop these screws anywhere. They are extremely hard to find. So you've got 4 AA batteries. I change them out probably once every 3 or 4 months. The lock will tell you when the batteries are getting low. And I've got a battery tester, so I keep an eye on them that way. Very easy to put them in. Just got to make sure that the screws are lined up. And that is all there is to it for changing the batteries. Very simple. You've got your on off here for programming. This one here, there's a little button, a little spot where you can just put the tip of a pen in. It's for the key fob learning. This particular model comes with a key fob. We rarely use it, but it is something that you can do if you don't want to use your lock or if you don't want to punch in the code. The fob, it's very easy to use. The button just above that is for the code reset. That sets it back to factory, which factory setting is 1, 2, 3, 4.
So that's all we wanted to talk about for today.
Give us a thumbs up if you like what you see.
Don't forget to subscribe.
And ring that bell for notifications.
Bye for now.
Bye-bye.
That one works better.